the LG V20 user here, and today in the video on the LG Tribute Royal for Boost Mobile. So the LG Tribute Royal is a new phone for Boost Mobile. This is a budget phone for Boost Mobile, so do keep it in mind. This is the same phone as the LG K30 2019 version. So yesterday the LG Tribute Royal is currently on sale, $30 off. It's $79.99 on sale right now, but the full retail price is $109.99. So yeah, it's definitely a lot cheaper than what Sprint's on this phone for. What Sprint is on this phone for $182, something like that. So this is way cheaper. So yeah. So the contact, of course, with Boost. So that's the phone right there. The phone looks very nice. I like the wallpaper, very colorful and stuff like that. You guys have your front facing camera, your earpiece, your 18:9 screen. It's kind of hard to tell if it is 18:9, but it is indeed 18:9 screen. You have power button on the right side, volume keys on the left, and you also have a Google Assistant key also on the left side as well. So you got your front facing camera, earpiece, your screen there, which is a nice looking wallpaper, power button, volume keys, and your Google Assistant key right here on the left. Left side of the phone, like I said, you got your volume keys, Google Assistant key, and your SIM and the micro SD card tray, so the battery does not come out. Okay, there's the front of the phone again. Right side power button. On the back of the LG Tribute Royal, you guys have a camera flash, and the LG logo, and it's available in this platinum gray color here. So it does look very nice. It looks like the Style 5 in terms of the back and stuff like that. So yeah, so here we go. Subscribe your own path for the LG Tribute Royal. Wherever you go, whatever you do, this pocket-sized device will keep up every step of the way. Sleek, light, and seamless to use. There's nothing that will slow you down. It's stocked with all the essential plus a thoughtful selection of photography features that capture life in action. The 5.45-inch HD Plus display is the perfect size to scroll through your feed or games on the go. And convenient AI tools make little task a cinch. Go your own way. The LG Tribute Royal is yours, alright? So the Tribute Royal has 5.45-inch HD Plus display, that is 720p HD Plus, 18:9, 8 megapixel rear facing camera, 5 megapixel front camera, 20 hours of talk time, 16 GB of internal storage, Android 9.0 Pie on board. Of course, how it works is you order the phone you want, wait for your phone to arrive, pick a new contract plan, and activate online. Pretty simple, Says just the right size. The 5.45-inch HD Plus display is perfectly portable while offering a quality view from anywhere. Built to last. Alright, we'll see if this one's built to last according to this. It says, but to 14 military grade tests, this device is made to withstand drops, extreme weather, and daily wear. We'll see about that. And it also has instantaneous images. Quickly capture each moment with rapid shutter speed so you can catch the action as it unfolds. Alright. I'm curious about this thing here in the middle about it being put to 14 military grade tests. I'm curious about that. Pocket perfect design. The light, slim device fits comfortably in your pocket and travels easily wherever you go. Whether for your close-up, take pose-worthy selfies on the 5 megapixel front-facing camera with a suite of built-in features that will help you capture great shots and a snap. Portraits on point. Add a professional touch to your pictures by adjusting depth of field. Just slide the bar to artfully blur the background. So it does have portrait mode. Also has animated photo booth. Gather your friends and create a fun GIF. The flash alerts you when the shutter is about to activate, so you can change up your poses while the camera shoots 4 pictures with intervals in between. Capture dynamic detail. Infuse your memories with more contrast, brightness, and color. HDR allows you to take a luminous, true-to-life photos in any setting. Single-handed selfie, so they're talking a lot about the camera here. Nothing wrong with that, you know. It says take effortless selfie, take effortless photos on the front-facing camera. For just a shot, raise your hand and make a fist to snap a picture. And for auto shot, all you have to do is smile. Get more done hands-free, of course. Ask questions, plan your day, and make memories, all with just a voice. Your Google Assistant also makes it incredibly simple to take photos and selfies with your favorite camera mode, and so much more. And you also have a Google Assistant key on the left side of the phone. Android 9.0 Pie. Android 9 harnesses the power of artificial intelligence to give you more from your phone. Now it's smarter, faster, and adapts as you use it. It's also Mexico roaming capable. Stay connected even when you're traveling to Mexico. Plain internet is required for that to work. Voice roaming capable. Keep talking even when you're temporarily outside the Sprint network. Select plans include 50 minutes per month of domestic voice roaming. So there you guys go. And also it's mobile hotspot capable, of course, so that's a win. It says don't get stuck without an internet connection. Turn your phone into a Wi-Fi hotspot for on the go. Access varies per plan, so do keep that in mind. Spexless phone. This is a budget phone. So do keep that in mind. So the LG Tribute Royal has 3,000 mAh battery, 20 hours of talk time. The battery is not removable. 2 GB of RAM, 16 GB of RAM, and the micro SD card slot up to 13 GB. Has a MediaTek MT6762 2 GHz octa-core MediaTek processor. Android 9.0 Pie, 8 megapixel rear-facing camera, and 5 megapixel front-facing camera with portrait mode. 5.45 inch HD plus display with 18:9 aspect ratio. Your dimensions are on the LG Tribute Royal is 5.78 inches height, 2.82 inches width, and 0.33 inches depth. The phone weighs 5.22 ounces. Your connectivity options for the Tribute Royal is Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, USB cable, probably USB-C or micro USB, I'm not sure which one it is, and 3.5 headphone jack. So you do get the headphone jack, so that's a win. And what's included in the box, you know, as your standard stuff, you get the Tribute Royal, the charger, SIM card installed, USB cable, and important information booklet, so nothing special there. If you guys need help with your LG Tribute Royal, Boost Mobile can help you out with that with device support, so check it out if you guys ever need help. It says want to know everything there is to know about this phone. Learn everything from setting up your email to managing all your games and applications. So there you guys have it, LG Tribute Royal. Now available at Boost Mobile, is currently on sale for $79.99. It's $30 off right now. The full retail price is $109.99. So if you guys are looking for a backup phone, a budget phone, or whatever, this one's worth checking out. This is a nice phone. It looks very nice. Nice looking phone. Pretty good features for what it is. This is a budget phone, so do keep it in mind. And phone looks very nice. So if you guys are looking for a decent budget phone, the LG Tribute Royal is worth checking out. So there you guys have it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. If you guys ever like me out, like, peace, rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.